Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm excited because we are doing a Beauteque beauty box and Mask Maven unboxing and review. Before we jump into this video, I do want to mention that I am still selling my merch, and I'd love if you guys could check it out. This design is my I'm Still Human design, which supports a charity. Currently it is the IH Foundation, but the link to all of my t-shirts is in the description box down below. I recently was furloughed. Super excited about that. And I would appreciate any support if you guys are able to purchase a t-shirt. Thank you so much. And if you are new to these videos, Beauteque is a Korean subscription service. They have the beauty box, which is 6 full-size Korean beauty products for $24 a month, or I believe it's like $22 if you sign up for the year, or the Mask Maven, which is $15 for 9 masks a month, or I believe $13 if you sign up for the year. And you can save with my code. I will have it right here. Rachel25 will get you 25% off your first month if you decide to sign up. That code is not affiliated. I do not make a commission off that code. I believe it is just to track that you guys came from me and to save you some money. And I am sent these products for review, but these reviews are completely unbiased. I always give my 100% honest opinion. Sorry, I super forgot to silence my phone for yet another video. And let's just jump into it. So the theme for the month is sugar and sweets, and they always come with little pamphlets, and this is for March 2020. I'm a little bit behind, I'm sorry. And these are all the products for the month of March from the beauty box. It says, what's better than K-Beauty? Sugary and sweet K-Beauty skincare, makeup, and masks, of course. This month is all about fun bakery-themed beauty products that are great to use and look delicious enough to eat. I love sweets, so I'm really excited about this box. And the first item is the Bow Green Pomegranate and Ruby Hydrogel Eye Patches, which retail for $20. They protect against premature aging by reducing signs of skin aging caused by sun damage and exposure, and will revitalize and clarify the delicate skin around the eyes. So I'm not sure how many are in here. There's quite a few in here. It comes with a little scooper thingy. Oh gosh, and I just put on these press-on nails so things are harder to open. There we go. Get lipstick all over it, but there's a lot in here, and it didn't say on the box, but I know this is gonna last me a long time. There's a lot of serum, a lot of gels, and I feel like it's probably, just for the amount of eye patches that you get, well worth the $20. And I actually really like them. They do slide a bit if you're sitting upright and wearing them. So I tend to either lie back while I'm wearing them or put a sheet mask on top of it while I'm wearing the eye gels, and that helps hold them in place. But I find they're really nice, and I would definitely pay $20 for this many eye gels. Like, this thing is full. Oh my gosh. The next item is the Macaron Blending Sponge. It retails for $6, and it is a fun way to blend your makeup into your face. It is made of a very soft material which ensures a seamless, natural airbrush finish that you can use with liquid, cream, and powder products. So it comes with two. Obviously, I've been using the pink one. I used this today. That's why it's so dirty. And there are pros and cons to this. I really love this for like contour, cream contour. It really, the shape of it gets in there, gets around the nose. Like, this side right here is so good for that. And it's actually not bad for foundation or cream blush either on this flat side, but any way I hold it to get like up under the eye and blend concealer is just not good. So I've been going in with my Beauteque blender separately when I'm still using this to blend out my concealer underneath my eye, which I feel like I need to do that because I don't know why I feel like my under eyes look creepy right now. But I for $6 for 2 sponges think it's a really good deal, especially with how amazing it blends out my contour all over my face. I would totally purchase that again. The next item is the Beauty Treats Peach Oxygen Bubble Mask. It retails for $4 and it penetrates deep into the skin to extract all the pore clogging impurities caused by stress. The various botanical extracts leave your skin soft, supple, and rejuvenated. So this was a 2-pack. I did use both packets and it, I think, irritated my skin. I tested a lot of products, but I think this is one of the ones that irritated my skin, and I've been having a lot of texture and breakouts because this had very strong fragrance in it. I love bubble masks. I love deep cleansing bubbling masks so much. I use them on a regular basis. This just was so strongly scented peach. Like, I feel the fragrance caused some of my breakout textures. Like my face looks a wreck. I normally wear light coverage foundation, and today I caked it on because I was so self-conscious about the way my skin looks from whatever's going on, and I think this is one of the culprits because of the fragrance. So if you are sensitive to fragrance, you react to it, you break out from it, whatever, I would stay away from this. If you're not sensitive to fragrance in any way, it is a pretty cool product for $4, but I don't recommend it. The next product is the Touch My Body Goat Milk Body Wash. It retails for $12 and it says it's gentle on the skin and aids in moisture regeneration. You'll come out of the shower feeling smooth and clean. This I tested to see how moisturizing it really was by taking a shower and not moisturizing after the shower, and my skin felt so soft and moisturized even though I didn't put on any body butter or lotion or anything after using this body wash. So I would highly recommend this body wash. I think this size is not bad for $12 and I really like it. The next product is the Etude House Dear Darling Water Gel Tint. It retails for $6 and it uses a light, airy formula that contains vitamins and minerals to give you the perfect color while also being super comfortable and long lasting. So I tested this a couple of times and I don't know if I just don't know how to use it, but I didn't like it. It wore off in such an unflattering way. It didn't stain my whole lips. It would stain the dry patches on my lips and then wear off everywhere else. So I'd have weird patches of stained lip, but the rest would be bare, and it'd look like I just, because of the color, it's like red, it would look like I had like bloody patches on my lips. I'm not a fan. If you have really dry lips, I don't think this is the product for you. But maybe if you're really good about keeping up on your lip care, your lips are always nice and moisturized, this would work, but for me it's not worth it is not worth $6. The last item is the Diopros Silk Volume Honey Cream. It retails for $18 and it's formulated for tired, dry skin to give it a sweet wake-up call. It contains special micronutrients that protect against harmful environmental agents. With regular use, this honey cream will reduce wrinkles, fight age spots, and eliminate dullness. This, even though it's $18, this I freaking love. Like, oh, it's so soothing, and oh, this is my new favorite. This is like my favorite thing out of the whole box, and I would definitely pay $18 for it because it just, on those days where I'm testing a lot of product and my skin is really unhappy with me and really irritated, I need something so like soothing and calming, and it's hard to find a product that like has stuff that's gonna make me feel better and not make it worse, versus a product that's just like got nothing in it and just gonna lightly moisturize. You know, does that make any sense? But this makes my skin feel so good. Even when it's burning and I put it through hell, it makes my skin feel so good and I love it. So overall, was the March box worth it? Just looking at the prices of the products I would repurchase, absolutely. It's a $24 box, and the $20 eye patches, $18 cream, $6 sponge, $12 body wash, like that way beyond pays for the $24 box. So I think that the box is absolutely worth it. So let's jump into the Mask Maven. These are all 9 masks from the March 2020 Mask Maven Sugar and Sweets. And I want you guys to know I did put my skin through it for you. I reviewed, as you can see from my little notes, I reviewed every single mask from this month, and I am so excited because like almost all of them were hits. So let's jump into it. The first mask is the Cos W My Real Skin Coffee Mask. It has coffee, which is a natural exfoliant and improves skin texture and gives a youthful flow, they say. I'm assuming it's a typo and they meant glow. And it also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. I felt this one was definitely like very smoothing to my skin, and it was strangely calming, so I would definitely do this one again. I really liked it. Next is the Skin Food Veggie Garden Watermelon Mask. It is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, which aid in skin revitalization and helps oil control production and minimizes pores while delivering hydration to the skin. I felt like this one definitely visibly minimized my pores and was super hydrating and had a nice watermelon scent. I really liked it. Next we have the Double and Zero My Sweet Macaron Red Fruits Mask. It has sky cell crystal fibers rather than the standard cotton fabric and contains 5 red fruit extracts, tomato, cherry, watermelon, pomegranate, and strawberry that work together to brighten and nourish your skin. This one was super hydrating and I did find it was brightening. I would definitely recommend this mask. Next is the Farm Stay Visible Difference Milk Mask. It is rich in vitamin B, alpha hydroxy acids, calcium, and other potent antioxidants that are beneficial for all skin types. It is gentle enough for sensitive skin and gives dry skin moisture and removes sebum from oily skin. I'm just laughing because my notes on this one say it did all of the things with a heart. So I know I like this one. I definitely repurchase it. The next mask is the Etude House 0.2 millimeter Therapy Air Manuka Honey Mask. It balances the skin's pH levels and removes dead skin cells. It's also anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, which leaves the skin smooth and protected from bacteria that can clog the pores. I felt like this one was very calming and exfoliating, and I would definitely do it again. Next we have the Papa Recipe Bombi Green Honey Mask. It contains rich avocado and parsley extracts, which gives the mask its firming and moisture replenishing qualities. This mask is perfect for anti-aging. I felt like this one smoothed my fine lines and was very moisturizing, so I definitely do it again. Next is the Apu Milk 1-Pack Coffee Mask. It contains both milk and coffee extract that work together to hydrate, nourish, and improve the radiance of your skin. This one unfortunately left me really red and irritated, so I would not recommend it if you're a bit more sensitive like me. Then we have the Apu Icing Sweet Bar Sheet Mask. I received the pineapple, and it's here to brighten and lighten your skin. The mask contains fruit extracts that give dull, tired skin a boost and is refreshing as a popsicle on a hot summer day. It was really refreshing to wear. Like, I didn't even put these ones in the fridge, and not even cooling this down, this was refreshing, and I felt like it was also brightening and very hydrating, so I definitely recommend it. The last mask was a mystery mask, and I received the No HJ Tea Tree Mud Mask. This mask contains tea tree extract and mud extract to help calm inflammation and cleanse any impurities in order to leave the skin clear and smooth. I felt this mask was calming and clearing for my skin, and it was one of those really pretty like foil floral print masks, so I felt super pretty while masking. I definitely recommend this one. And that is all 9 masks. 8 out of the 9 I would recommend or repurchase, and the 9th one, unfortunately, I wouldn't, but I would say for the price of $15, it would definitely have been worth it for me for the month of March. Again, if you guys are interested in purchasing either the beauty box or the Mask Maven with the code Rachel25, you can save 25% off your first month. What did you guys think of the masks and the beauty products from Beauteque? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you've tried any new skincare lately, I'd love to hear about it. I'm always looking for new skincare products. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!